My hair ain't done. My dog is cute. Hey YouTube. So, most of y'all already seen my apartment tour. And my sister is moving, so she gave me some goodies. And also I got a deep conditioner in and a bag on my head. I didn't finish my hair. And if I didn't do the video today, y'all wasn't gonna see it. So, this is what my living room looks like now. Very cutesy. And I'm going to add some stuff. I'm going to maybe trade this out. Maybe put a lamp she gave me here. Put a rug down. Oh, I got new stools. So these are my stools. Right there. They go blue. These are my stools. So she gave me some super cute stuff that flows very nicely. Excuse my lighting. It's always so bad when I record. And I just can't help it. So I'm excited. It's like a little revamp of my apartment. Let's get started. Let me just do a quick walkthrough of the before. If you haven't seen my apartment, welcome. I live in Texas. I'm from Indiana, as you can see from my sweater. My tripod. This is my little art yarn. I make rugs. I did remove something from here. I had another one there. It was just taking up too much space. Make it look a little more open. This is my living room. This is the stools. My fridge. My rug that I made. This is my bedroom. Blues area. My projector. Blue. Here's the bathroom. I did actually sorta organize my closet. Y'all was really on me real bad about my clothes not being folded. So I mean, I tried a little bit. You see right there, they're actually folded, and right there and right there is folded. You see the fold? This. So yeah, just a quick walkthrough so you can see what it looks like before. And I'll put the camera back on here. So I'm gonna just speed this up and be back. Hey YouTube, so right now I'm just going to my car and gathering all my things. It's so hot outside. I am still in Texas, even though I have on a sweater because it's cold in my house because my dog is a brat. And outside it is like 80 degrees, so I was dying collecting all my stuff. First, I'm changing out my stools. Oh my goodness, look how amazing these stools are. They're like minimalist, boho chic. My other stools were $80 from Amazon, and they were super thin. They were really cute, really cheap, and I got them almost 2 years ago, so I'm really glad to change them out to something a little more comfortable, even though they are lower, but I still like it. So thankful for my sister giving me all this free stuff. Now I'm going to put down the rug, and I'm just moving everything out of the way because the rug is hard to put down. Like, I can't just slide it under. Those pillows I am trashing because she gave me new pillows as well. And I will just put down the back rug. Ideally, like, I know I fell a little bit here. So ideally, I know, like, I make rugs, so I have always wanted to make my own area rug, but if you know tufting, you know my frame is very small, very limited to the size that I can make. And so it just makes more sense right now to just take a free rug, and maybe when I get a bigger apartment or what have you, then I can focus on making my own area rug. And also, Blue was just in the way. Like, if I could do this again, I probably would have locked him up in his little apartment because, sir, why are you so in the way? Y'all, this was tough. But I really like how rugs help define and constrict spaces. Like, this rug area is saying, okay, this is my living room. And as you know, my apartment's only 500 square feet, so I have my tufting area, I have my bar stool area, I have my living room, and my bedroom. So I love the addition of the rug to just say, hey, this is the perimeter, this is kind of outlining. And it may not make sense for some people for me to have a rug on top of carpet, but I don't care. I like it. Unfortunately, I did knock out my Wi-Fi when I was trying to put the lamp and rug up, so I had to take a debrief on that. I definitely had to like open my app. So my sister gave me this amazing lamp. I don't know how much it costs, and I also don't know where it's from. If you comment and ask, I will try to find out, but if you don't ask, look, this is just a free lamp that probably costs nearly $200 that, thanks to sibling love, I did not have to pay for. So will I ask the details? No, because baby, this is free. God bless my sister. Thank her for wanting to redo her aesthetics, because I got all this amazing stuff for free. So here I'm just showing you the lamp that I had in my corner. I got this for Christmas from my dad. It's just like a little stick, very, space convenient, I don't know what to call it, lamp. But I'm going to keep that and move it to my room. And I always wanted a lamp like this. It's like a bungalow, boho. Like, this lamp was truly the cherry on top. I know I put it in almost first or second, but it literally was perfect. I was so excited. When she bought it for her own apartment, I'm like, oh my God, that is so me. So for a year later, for me to be getting it for free, amazing. Oh, this is where my Wi-Fi cut out, and I'm like, really? Like, Alexa, come on now. Like, this whole time I was listening to Alexa, because I like to listen to podcasts, but I was like, let me listen to some good music, and I knocked out my whole Wi-Fi trying to put up this lamp. So I had to take a little 1-2 break and circle back. So finally got my music back on, and here we are hanging the shade. So Brittany, my sister, this shade came with the lamp, but she also bought a white, kind of more modern lampshade that I will show at the end, that I end up just sticking in my closet. Hopefully it doesn't get dirty or crushed. I was worried that the lamp would hang a little too low, because I have a very small space and it's a very big lamp, but it's a great statement piece. And it's so good. I had to make sure it clicked on. These plants are from Amazon. I do, as you know, probably by now, have a full apartment tour. So feel free to watch that. These are the new pillows that my sister gave me. And I had some square, dusty ones that were like linty. So I appreciate her plush circle ones. I was so excited. I'm like, ooh, it's coming together. It's looking good. Y'all, I was singing. I don't even know what I was listening to. Copyright, so I had to mute it. This is the lampshade I was talking about. And I mean, it matches, but it's just a little more blah. So I put that in the closet. I don't feel like vacuuming. I already spent all day cleaning up my entire house. Like, you know when you gotta do some spring cleaning and you do like the dishes and then laundry and then you gotta do the closet and everything? Yeah, that was me today, cleaning up the entire house. So I did not feel like bringing out the vacuum again. I love this flower piece. I love it so much. I got it from Home Goods for like $40. But the tapestry that my sister gave me was top tier. And I had to put the good things, small things in my purse. The nails, the hooks. So I absolutely love, like literally my sister's decor matched my apartment so much when she bought it all. I'm like, oh my God, please let me have everything in here. So the fact that I got some of her key items while she's redecorating, I'm like, this is such a blessing. It's like Christmas. So here I am hanging up the tapestry, trying to position it. I did have a little prick in my wall already where the flower wire was hanging, so I just used that space to nail in the hook. And I love how the circles on the tapestry match the circles on the painting. The lines in the painting match the curtains. And the curtains ties in the throw pillow on the chair. Like, everything, I think I already mentioned this, but everything, if I were to move into a bigger place, as you can see, I'm just literally just so proud. I'm so proud. I'm dancing on that's how proud I am. But if I were ever to move, I've been here for 2 years now, and that's why I'm excited to have a little spice, a little more revamp to the decor. But if I were to ever move, I would definitely get a bigger couch because this couch is defined specifically for this space. And I would definitely get a new coffee table. But oh my God, me and Blue are so happy. So happy with this new decoration. It's literally a boho chic girl's dream. A minimalist, maximalist, aka a normal person. It's perfect. Just when I thought that I couldn't fit anything else in my house, here I am. So here's my stick light that was in my living room initially. Just putting it behind my mirror because sometimes when I like read at night, or if I'm like laying in bed but not fully ready for darkness, I like the pucks that are under my shelf, if you can see them, under the plants. I have 2 pucks that have a remote and they're color changing, but they die easily. I have to recharge the battery often. So this, oh my God, this is amazing. So excited. And it's color changing light. I have an app for it as well. I got it from Amazon for Christmas. Oh, it's perfect. So I had to set the aesthetics, turn off the lights, see how it's looking, see how it will feel, see the vibes, the coziness. Kick my feet up, test it out. You know when you go to the display room and you're like, let me see how this couch is. That's what I had to do. I had to kick my feet up, call my dog on my lap and say, you know what, is this it? Do we like it? Do we like it? Yeah, we love it. We love it so much. So here is the finished look. Just to do a quick little tour, a little 360 of the place. I did actually end up buying a color changing lamp, light bulb I should say, for the living room bungalow light that I just hung up. It was only $6 and I didn't get a picture of it, but it's like dimmable light bulb and it's color changing and it can be on a timer and a fade, just like the pucks kind of. It's probably like the same brand, but putting that dimmable color changing light in the living room in that lampshade was truly the cherry on top. So amazing, because this light right here, I feel like it's a bit too bright. It's not really aesthetically calming, so I bought a light the next day and I'll insert some photos. But it's so cute. I feel like the rug, the tapestry, the lamp, the bar stools really tied in my whole design fully. I was looking for Blue. He kind of blends in with the carpet now, so I'm like, Blue, where are you? But thanks for watching, guys. Oh my gosh, I love my apartment. It's so small, but it's just proof that you really don't need much. You really have to just be grateful for what you have, where you are in life, and be proud of your own accomplishments. Sometimes I think I want more, but then I'm just reminded, like, Allie, you have everything you need in this cute, small, cozy little 500 square foot apartment. So thankful for my sister and all these amazing decorations to revamp my space for free. Comment below if you want to know where things are. I really don't want to look for it, and I don't want to add links because I just don't know where it comes from. But if you ask, I will put that in the description. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye.